Hi! In front of me is Motorola Edge 30, and today I would like to show you how you can manage all vibration settings on this device. Firstly, just go into settings and tap on sound and vibration over here. Then scroll down and tap on the switcher next to synchronize ring vibration. This way you can enable or disable this feature. When you're ready, you can scroll down again, click on vibrate for calls and tap on one of those options for your incoming calls. Never vibrate, always vibrate, or vibrate first, then ring gradually. I will go with never vibrate, so I have to click on it and go back. After that, scroll all the way down and click on the switchers next to outgoing call vibrations, charging sounds and vibrations, and touch vibrations to switch them on or off. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!